Hi guys, I just wanted to check in really quick and tell you that I got my order from the 1407 planners. I literally got them in the mail today. I'm so excited to open these and go through this with you guys. I wanted to do an unboxing, but I had to take off the plastic wrap that covered this because I wanted to cover my address. So we're going to be going through this together. Also, we're going to do a quick check-in in my traveler's notebook. This I got from margabeedagirl, or margabeedagirl. Anyways, I got this from her. I'll link her down below. This is off of Etsy, and this is off the 1407 Planners website. They had a lot of choices. I actually ordered one in the wrong size, and I contacted them via email, and they got back to me right away. It was freaking awesome. So this, we'll get to this in a second. Oh, my pen just fell out. Okay, so we're gonna start off with this guy. I'm just gonna dig right into it. Oh my gosh, this is so cute. Oh, look at this. Oh, it's a little paper clip. I'm so gonna use this. Oh, what's in here? Oh, cool. Calendar. Little stickers. This is Fred, I believe is what his name is. If you can see that. This is Fred, I believe is what his name is. This is cool. I didn't know they were gonna add stuff to it. That's cute. Sorry, my son's being noisy. Oh, and this is a little paper clip. I'm gonna use this. How adorable. Ah, sweet. This is so cool, you guys. Neat little coaster. Okay, so I'm going to get right into this. So, this is the mood tracker. It's all the same. Dot on one side and the month on the other. This one is the calendar on 2 pages. Oh no, this is not the calendar. This is the meal planner, which I'm hoping we'll use this. We should use this. This is a mood tracker as well, with different illustrations, I believe, on each page, which is super awesome. You can design your bullet journal parts around it. This is the week. It starts on Monday, so I'm just going to take a piece of washi tape, put it over it, and write in Sunday start, because I start on Sunday. What is this one? This was the non-dated Sunday start month, and all the pages are the same. This one is the grocery lists, and I got 3 of these, and it goes by department. So the last 3 of these are just the same as that one. So I'm going to put this in the box before my son gets too terribly upset, and you won't be able to hear me anymore. Move on to the second one. So I ordered this one because I got the wrong size in one of them, and then they ended up going ahead and just doing it for me, or fixing it for me, so that was awesome. More stickers, that's cool. Little cute thing. Another April month. Another little clip. Okay, this one is Monday start week with tracker to do, to buy, to call this week. Ooh, and everything is falling. Hold on. Let me fix you guys. There we go. Hold on. Let me pick up my son. Gonna do it one-handed, guys. Okay, hi. What's up? You want to be a part of the video too? Okay, this one. Let's flip in here. This is meals to do. Just a little date book. Sorry about the sun. It's coming through the window behind me, and it's very bright. Okay, the next one is... Oh, come on, little man. Oh, this is the one that I have to cut myself. So I'm going to cut this out, and it's a week on 2 pages. So you've got full page here. You cut off the middle little piece. You have a to-do this week, tracker, to go, to buy, and notes. And of course, if you don't like any of the titles that they have, you can always either put washi tape over it like I'm gonna do, or black it out and write in white pen. And here's an hourly schedule. It starts at 7, it ends at 10. Fitness, so it gives you 3 blocks for fitness. You have a meal tracker over here, which is kind of redundant to have the other meal tracker, but what I'm using the other one for is to plan for the month so I can put it in a grocery list. So that way when we go to the store, because of what's going on with COVID-19, it needs to be very efficient. We need to get in and out of the store very quickly. I don't want to lollygag and spend much time there, so that's what that is. So anyways, so this is awesome. These are great paper quality. It feels super smooth. I love that I can decorate the cover myself. I'm probably going to be using a lot of stickers. A lot of their stickers too, because they gave me some stickers with the order, which was super awesome. Now we're going to get into this. So, got my little thingy stuck to it. So this I got off of Etsy, and I'm going to link her shop down below, but it is beautiful. It's lightweight. The clasp that clips onto is so nice. It's easy to get into. It's just, oh look, it's making little lights on the wall. Sorry. So since the last time we talked, I've changed this up a little bit. So I've got a craft paper in here. I've got, this was supposed to be my weekly. Remember how I said that this was going to be my weekly? Well, I changed it. It's going to be a collections. My month, it's not doing too much. Right here, we're just planning. My daughter painted me a rainbow, and I love rainbows, so. And then we also made Shrink-a-Dinks. Our cousin, my cousin Sarah, she got my daughter Shrink-a-Dinks, and who doesn't love Shrink-a-Dinks, right? Well, she made me this little shoe because I'm the fastest mom in the world. So this is a thank you card from my other cousin, my ruler. This is a note from my cousin that came with the box of stuff. I've got my scissors. I've got some paper in here. I've got this little folder. This is out because I'm currently writing my recipe, and I know stuff isn't spelled right. My spelling is so bad. But I try. So this is my recipe for 15 bean soup that we had tonight for dinner. So I was writing down the recipe so that way I don't forget it. And then this says every step forward is progress, no matter how small. So I'm just going to fill this out and add in some trackers. And obviously I'm going to go through these books first, but I am getting a new cover because those other books are the wide size. This is just the standard size traveler's notebook. The other is going to be, it's a little bit wider. Out here, I'll show you the comparison real quick as to the sizes. So you can see it's just a little bit bigger. Not much, just like maybe half an inch bigger. But they won't fit in this cover. So I did order another cover from Speckled Fawns, and I am so looking forward to getting it. But anyways, guys, I just wanted to check in really quick and show you the cool little things that I got, because I really wanted to open the box, even though my cover's not here yet. So thank you for watching, and I hope to see you guys again, or I hope you see me again, because I can't see you. Yeah, what Ryan said. Like and subscribe, and I will link the shops down below, so that way you can go in and check them out, because they've got all different sorts of things. And thank you for watching, and we'll be back again. like and subscribe. I know I already said that, but please do it. And hit that bell button so you don't miss anything. Bye from Ryan.